Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video I bring you a different topic. This is a deep in niche strategy with a new project that is called getgrass. You can be paid for your unused internet. So this is a passive income strategy with the protocol, and like always in my videos I'm going to cover a little bit about this project and give you the step-by-step on how you can participate on this protocol to get passive income sharing the unused internet connection bandwidth of your home or office. So if you are interested about passive income strategies, I'm going to show you how this project works, which are my results right now, and everything about getgrass and the potential that this project could have. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, everyone has an internet connection with a certain amount of bandwidth per month, but almost nobody uses all of it. Grass is a network for selling that bandwidth to corporations and institutions with a suite of applications that do this in the background of your phone or computer. The end result is passive income for selling a resource that you don't even know you had. During the beta phase, you will earn grass points, and at the end of the beta, this will be retroactively converted into network ownership. So the testnet of this project ended a couple of days, weeks ago, and now we are in the beta, so you can already start earning these points. I know about this project for more than 1 month, but I needed to wait and do a lot of research because it wasn't sure if it was a scam or not. This project belongs to the new niche of deepen narrative, which is a big narrative in crypto also. And I'm not sure if we are going to have a token for this project, but they have like this incentivized usage of the application to get these points that eventually are going to convert on some kind of payment. In their website, they even mentioned that at some point it could be turned into crypto. We don't know if they are going to have their own token. That could be one solution. Or you could get a passive income paid in crypto or another sources in US dollar or any other monetary system. So in order to get this, you will need to connect and get your Chrome extension for getgrass. I'm going to show you how to get that, and after that you are going to get a dashboard where you are going to be able to manage all this application in order to earn these points that are going to be eventually the payout of this unused internet connection that you have. So the step one is that you need to register to get the grass here. Here is my referral link. For this time, I need to tell you that you are mandatory to use a referral link. You cannot enter into the protocol without a referral link. So if you could use mine, that will support the channel. And after you log in with my referral, you are going to be able to create your own referred token and share it too. So on the first link on the description, you are going to see the link to my post, and there you will find all the information that I have in this Excel with this referral link that you can use in order to enter into this application. So when you use the link, you are going to see this. You need to sign up your account with an email and username, and you will be using this referral link. Remember, without a referral link, you cannot join and create your account that you need to run this application. After creating your account, you go to the step 2, which is get the grass Chrome extension. Here is the official link, but you can get it also from the website. That link gets you here. This is the grass extension that you can add to your Chrome application, and it's going to look like this. You will have your username here, and you can see that I am connected. Here is the quality of your network, and here are the earnings that you are having. While you leave this on, you will be seeing that you get more points here, and here you have your referral link also that you can share in order to get points, and here you have the button to open the dashboard. So when you click there, you will see your grass dashboard. This is in the application, this is on your website. Here you have your earnings, your statistics of your earnings. You can see that you are connected. Remember that you have your application in your Chrome extension and your dashboard here on the website. You can see the quality of your connection and more information about the network. And here you have your rewards and your refer tabs to check all the information of your earnings on points. Remember, we don't know exactly how much value have those points, When they had the testnet, they talk about $30 per month. I think we could earn more than that, but this is for sure not a magic application. You are not going to be rich using this. But if you don't have too much income, and I know many of my followers are struggling to get money, using this application, I already used it a couple of days and I didn't notice any change on my connection or network. So I think it's really using the part of my bandwidth on my connection that I am not using it. So it's not a bad idea, it's not a scam, so I think it could be something that you can run while you do anything else on your crypto venture. So yeah, step 3, get your Chrome extension on and you will be earning the gas points. In the point 4, I put the link to the frequently asked questions. Many things that I could comment here, you are going to see it here. What is Grass? How do you use it? How you earn your rewards? The parent company of Grass, how you be paid with your rewards and everything, you will find it there. On the step 5, you have that Win Network, which is the team behind the getgrass. Here is a link for their founding. There was 3.5 million serum to become the oracle for the centralized AI, because most of the bandwidth that they have here using the app is going to be sold to another companies, and some big niche for that is the AI model training. So you will find all that information in all these blogs from the website. So like I mentioned, on the testnet they mentioned there was some claims about $30 per month. That information cannot be confirmed really at this point, but you can enter right now using your referrals and using your bandwidth to earn points, and we may get some distribution and money for this. For more information, step 7, you have the Twitter account. In the Twitter account, almost 100k followers, and you can see that they have many partners. For example, they are here listed on artificial intelligence on this report from Binance, and this is a report from Binance Research. So this is one, and they have more partners and more things that you can check on the Twitter. This is important information, like the partner with Alignment Lab. So all this gets some confidence on the project and that they are really working through the deep niche on the crypto space. So yeah guys, remember, this is not an application. You are not going to be rich using this, but if you are struggling, you could get a couple of dollars for passive income. And if they launch a token and these points are converted into tokens, maybe we could get a big surprise and get a big airdrop from this. This is not my usual type of video, but I thought that many of my community that are struggling for a passive income, a couple of dollars, you could get it from this without knowing it, without using any extra bandwidth that you are not using right now. Remember that I have my subscriptions to my private Discord where we cover more passive income strategies, crypto, and most airdrops. I have my airdrop application too, so please join to my private Discord and my application if you really want to make money in 2024 with airdrops. And here you can see all my airdrops videos that I have been covering from the last months. We have more than 100 active airdrops that you can use and apply in my application, so check all this, it's very valuable, and join to my Discord. That will be all for this video. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.